The search continues for a 7-year-old girl after floodwaters swept her and her mother away in a car on Sunday. Thank you for joining me at 5. I'm Erin Christie. We told you at noon that first responders found the mother's body downstream 300 yards from the command center. We just learned her name, 46-year-old Layla Sayed Faraji. 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch is live at that command center near Highway 64 east of Leonard. Emma, dozens of responders are saying they're not going to stop searching until they find her.
Yeah, that's right, Erin. This search has been going on since Sunday evening. And actually where I'm standing, just about 300 yards south of where I am, is where they found the mother's body. And right behind me is the command center, like you said. And crews have been out here all from Sunday evening to now, doing whatever they can to find this 7-year-old girl. And I spoke with family and friends who've been out here with the agency saying they're not going to stop until they find her.
I'm hoping they'll find her soon.
Friends and family are holding out hope to find the 7-year-old girl swept away in floodwaters Sunday night. Ahmed Maradi says he was the girl's teacher and close friend to the family. He tells me she was full of life.
She was one of my best students, very well-mannered, enthusiastic. She was a joy.
Maradi just saw the family on Friday.
Friday, she was doing all this, and then Sunday evening, less than 48 hours, we lost her.
Let me tell you what deputies say happened on that fateful Sunday night. Right here on Highway 64 across the street is actually where they were visiting a family friend's house, and that's when they took a wrong turn. And that is where the car eventually ended up here in this creek. They got swept away underneath the highway, now where this rushing waters then eventually lead to the Arkansas River. Over 100 emergency response teams have been working tirelessly trying to bring closure to this tight-knit community.
Hopefully we find her and we're able to return her to her family. We're going to keep going until nightfall.
Maradi says he and this close group plan to stay near the site until the girl is found. He told me she was full of life.
When you saw her, the first thing you noticed about her was her eyes. She had, I think, greenish eyes, beautiful. And I said, very charming. We're going to miss them. That's all I can say.
And now crews have been out here both on foot and in water searching for the 7-year-old girl. Here at the command centers where most of the boats are, but they actually moved the search about 2 miles south of where we are just to expand it, just to hopefully get closure for this family. And as we learn more, we will continue to keep you updated both on air and online. Reporting live outside of Leonard, Oklahoma, I'm Emma Birch, 2 News Oklahoma.